Mr. Students, in the last class, we are in measures of capacity. So capacity means how much can hold the container. So we measuring liquids. So we are already learned addition and subtraction in measures of capacity. After this completion of addition and subtraction, we will go for mixed sum questions. Mixed sum means so first addition and then subtract into total value, we get the answer that is called as mixed sum. Okay, so here which which are the contents we can adding, which content have been subtracted, but has to be keep in mind. Okay, you have to read question. Okay, understand the question. After that, which numbers, which are the capacities have been adding, which are the capacities have been subtracted, we can get it. Okay, first here mixed sum means keep in mind here first addition and then subtraction. Okay, so look at this. First I will read the question. My father bought 32 liters of petrol. My father bought 32 liters of petrol from petrol pump. He put 10 liters, 10 liter 225 ml in the scooter. They are poured into the scooter. How much liter? 10 liter 225 ml in the scooter, and 17 liter 750 ml 750 ml in the car. How much petrol is left with him? Question is very easy. Okay, so first we should read the question. My father bought 32 liters of petrol from the petrol pump. He has purchased 32 liters of petrol, and then after this petrol, purchasing the petrol, then he has to pour it into the scooter. They are poured into the scooter. How much liter? How much liter has to pour? 10 liter 225 ml he has to pour into the scooter. Then petrol. Then 17 liter 750 ml in the car. Okay, so then how much petrol is left with him now? So hige in ಎಷ್ಟು petrol ಉಳ್ಕೋತು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. So but he is not given total capacity of petrol poured into the scooter and car. He is not given. First we should find out total he has to put in the scooter and car. First we should find out car is how much, is this much, and then scooter is this much. So we should find out these two values, add first, and then subtract into total amount. Total amount is what? 32 liter. We get the how much petrol is left with him now. So we get it. Okay, so first we can take to the okay. Okay, father poured petrol in the different vehicles. Okay, then first he put petrol in the scooter. Says he put petrol in the scooter. How much? First we should find out scooter. Then he put petrol in the car. Okay, so first taken the units liter and milliliter. Units are these are the units. So how much is petrol scooter? 10 liter 225 ml. Then how much petrol in the put in the car? 17 liter, then 750 ml. Then we can do addition or subtraction. We do addition. Then 5 plus 0 5, so 2 plus 7 5 7, 7 plus 2 9, 7 27 liter 975 ml of petrol he poured into the vehicles. So two vehicles. Which are the two vehicles? Scooter and then car. Then he is asking the question, how much petrol is left with him? How much petrol is left? So total, father bought petrol, so we should find out father bought petrol. Father bought petrol. Father bought petrol. Petrol, how much he bought? Okay, okay, 32 liter. Okay, so ml is not there, we should write 0 ml. Next, so he put petrol, he put petrol in car and what is that? Scooter. How much? Scooter and car, how much? Scooter and car, how much? Scooter and car. So then it is 27 liter. 27 liter. Then 27 liter, how much? 975 ml. Subtract it. 0 is not less 5. Take the carry over. It is 1. It is 10. Now we can give to, it is 9. It is 10. I will give to one's place. It is 9. It is 10. Now 10 less 5. 5. 9 less 7. 2. 9 less 9. 0. Then it is carry. It is 2. It is 11. 11 less 7. 4. 2 less 2, 0. 4 liter, 25 ml of petrol is left with him now. Is left with him. So this is the answer. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಎಷ್ಟು ಖರ್ಚಾಗಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಎಷ್ಟು ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಂದಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಇದೇ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಸಮ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್. ಏನೋ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸರಿ ನೋಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸರಿ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಖರ್ಚಾಗಿದೆ, ಎಸ್ he has to poured, how much he has to wasted, how much he has to spend, first we should adding. Then after that he has to purchase total amount, then we can subtract it, we get the answer. So this is the way to find out the mixed sum problems. Okay, so now I will go for second one question. So this is also same question, you can observe. Okay, Dhruva bought 18 liters of paint. Dhruva bought 18 liters of paint for painting doors and windows. He has to paint it doors and windows. Okay, then he required 5 liters of painting doors. Doors and paint madake he has to taken 5 liters, and then 11 liters of 11 liter 472 ml of painting the windows. Painting windows. Then how much paint is left with him now? So how much paint is left? ಇಷ್ಟು ಲೀಟರ್ನ ಡೋರಿಗೆ ಖರ್ಚು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಇಷ್ಟು ಲೀಟರ್ನ ವಿಂಡೋಸ್ ಖರ್ಚು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅವ್ರು ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್, 18 ಲೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲ್, 18 ಲೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಪೇಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್. ದೆನ್ ಸೊ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ದ ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಪೇಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಇನ್ನು ಎಷ್ಟು ಪೇಂಟ್ ಉಳ್ಕೊತು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಈ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟು ಸ್ಪೆಂಡ್ ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಪೇಂಟ್ ವಿಂಡೋಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಡೋರ್ಸ್, ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಪೇಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ spend windows and doors. Okay, then after that we get the total amount, windows and doors, how much paint is left, how much paint is he has to spend. Then we can subtract it, 18 liters of paint, we can subtract it, we get the total amount, total answer. Okay, this is the way we can find out the answer. Okay, first what we do, okay. Okay, first answer. Okay. Through painting the doors, painting the doors, painting the, okay, doors, how much paint is spent? Doors 5 liters, liter and milliliter, so 5 liter he has to spend. Then ml is not there, so we should adding, we should 0. Next, painting the windows, for painting windows, for painting windows, painting windows. How much he has to spend? 11 liters. So then 472 ml. Okay. So we can do addition or subtraction. Addition. Okay. 2, 7, 4, 6, 1. 60 liter, 472 ml. Okay. So, okay. Spent paint for painting painting the windows and doors. Okay, this is the amount of 60 liter and 472 he has to spend paint for painting the windows and doors. Then after that, so now Dhruva bought paint. Dhruva paint. Dhruva bought paint. How much he bought? So how much he bought? Liter and milliliter. How much he bought? 18 liter 00 ml. So because it is 4-digit number, I will write 4 zeros. If it is 2 zeros, I will write only 2 zeros. Okay, Dhruva bought. So for painting doors and windows. How much? Doors and windows. Then how much is 16 liter 472 ml. Now we can subtract it. Now, so 0 is not less 2. Take the carry over here 7. Now it is 10. After that it is 9. I will give to 10's place. It is 10. After that it is 9. So I will give to 1's place. 10 less 2, 8. 9 less 7, 2. 9 less 4, 5. 7 less 6, 1. 1 less 1, 0. So 1 liter 528 ml of paint is left. So this is the answer. So this is the way. So we have to do in the mixed sum problems. Okay, I will complete this measures of capacity. Remaining problems you have to done in the HW. So these two problems you have to do in the HW also. Okay, don't forget it. Okay, I hope all of you understands today's class. I will finish this lesson. I will go for next day. Tomorrow I will sending the data handling. So okay, Dhanyavad students, thank you so much. I will send the homework.